Namaskar, Pranam, Jai Hind. Welcome to our channel Design Setu. Today I will teach the basic skirt with set facing at waist, continuous placket for opening and French bias facing at hem with hand swing. Step 1. Pin all the darts and close with back stitch. I have taken 4 darts. You can take more depending on your design. So after stitching, the dart intake will go towards center front for the front panel and towards center back for the back panel. So I have stitched the dart. After stitching, just press the dart with nail press for the better finishing. Step 2. Face right side together front and back panel for side seam stitching. So first mark the opening at the left hand side. So I mark 6.5 inches, and after marking stitch the side seam till the opening, and for the right hand side stitch the entire seam with back stitch. So after stitching, the seam allowance will go towards the back panel. Do not forget to pin it before stitching and always lock the initial point and the end point. Step 3. Cut 13 into 2 inches wide panel for continuous placket. Now face right side together of facing and area left for opening. Pin it properly, slash the end and stretch it with back stitch on the half an inch seam allowance. So I have started the stitching. You can see I face right side together. So after stitching, lock the end and press it with your nail, or you can use iron also. So now face both the raw edges as shown in the video. So I am folding both the raw edges facing each other. Now fold it, pin it and stitch on the edge with back stitch. At the time of folding, always hide the first stitch. So your first stitch will be the guideline for the folding. Now stitch on the edge. So I am holding all the layers together and stitching it with the back stitch. So after stitching, just fold the placket inside, hold both the layer. Now after folding, just mark a diagonal line at the end and stitch it with the back stitch so that both layer secured together. So I finished with the diagonal stitch. Now place it inside. Step 4. Now face right side together front and back shift facing and stitch the right hand side seam at the distance of half an inch. Now press open with nail press. After stitching, finish the bottom of the facing. So just fold towards wrong side and stitch with running stitch, or you can also use back stitch or blanket stitch depending on your design feature. Step 5. Now fold the placket of front towards wrong side and secured it. After that, face the right side together of facing and skirt, and always match the side seam. After pinning, stitch on the half an inch seam allowance. So when you are stitching, always place your dart intake towards center front and towards center back. After finishing and locking the edge, just hold facing and seam elements one side and main fabric one side. Nail press it, or you can use iron also. Now hold the seam elements and facing and stitch on the edge to secure the seam allowance. Stitch it with running stitch, or you can use back stitch also. After stitching, cut the extra allowance, so you will reduce the seam allowance. Now fold the facing seam allowance together to the wrong side, pin it properly. After pinning, fold the seam allowance of at the continuous placket and stitch it with the blind stitch. So now finish both the raw edges at the continuous placket. After finishing, come to the wrong side of the garment. Now tuck the facing with all your darts first. After that, tuck the facing in between the darts. Do not forget to tuck at the center front and the center back. So after tucking, your facing is ready. So now at the front side, attach the hook. So for hook, always a thicker needle, create a hole and insert your hook. Now secure the lower part of the hook with the blanket stitch. On the other placket, attach the eye. So after finishing hook and eye, Step 7. Take 2 inches into hem length bias fabric, join the seam, fold it from the middle. Now spread your skirt on the end table and curve the bias according to your hem shape. After shaping, face right side together, pin it, stitch with back stitch. After stitching, cut the extra allowance and fold the bias towards wrong side and finish with blind hem. After blind hem, your skirt is ready. Thank you for watching my channel, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind.